On today's first look, we have a very special car, a 1970 Cougar Eliminator with the legendary 428 Super Cobra Jet engine in this beautiful coupe. I'm joined here by Jason Billups, our resident Ford expert who knows an awful lot about this particular car. Jason, tell us about the vehicle.
Thanks, Craig. This is a very, very special car. I'm really excited to see this car. I never thought I'd see this car offered to the public. This car is one of 3 black 70 Eliminators built, and it's actually one of 2 with a Super Cobra Jet engine. So this car came in the shop about 6 or 8 years ago for a restoration, and this customer had actually owned this car since 1989. And it's just a really, really highly loaded, highly optioned car. And being black, there was only 3 Eliminators ever built that were black. And this is the only one that was delivered to the eastern United States. And it's got a lot of options: 8-track, stereo, center console, the rear window defogger, and all the options and accessories function on this car, including the headlight covers. It received a complete rotisserie restoration. A really interesting part of the car story is whenever we brought the car in, we were wanting to do a complete concourse type restoration under the hood, but he started telling the story about this Holman-Moody 2.4 intake, medium riser style intake, and headers and a dual point 427 distributor being delivered in the trunk of the car. And he's actually got some paperwork to back that up, and this intake and distributor's been with this car since new.
Oh, pretty cool. I just love the look of these cars.
Yeah, it's a sinister looking car, and it runs. It runs very well.
So what all did you do when you restored the car?
It had a little bit of rust repair, but it was very minimal. It's retaining, I would say, 80% of all of its original sheet metal. It retains all of its original interior. The engine was built by my dad. It's got a 1/4-inch stroke. It's a 30 over motor. It's a 462 cubic inch 428 Super Cobra Jet engine. It actually had the heads were CNC'd by Kuntz Performance in Arkadelphia, Arkansas. This motor really runs hard. It's fun to play with. And Jay drove this car and enjoyed it. It wasn't a trailer queen. I think you'd like him.
Good. Take it out and smoke the tires on it?
Exactly.
What has it won since it's been restored?
So the awards include a participant's choice at the Mercury Owners Club International Convention, McCacken Gold certification, and it did win Best of Show at the last Cougar National there in Tulsa, Oklahoma this year.
Best part, this car is coming to you selling at no reserve at our Scottsdale 2024 auction, January 20th through the 28th. Beautiful car, beautiful restoration on a very, very rare car. This is an opportunity. See you there.